Yeah, V Nation, I got another one. I got another classy looking Bluetooth speaker from the company called Marshall. So if you're interested in Bluetooth speakers from Marshall, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. All right? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back to get another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yeah, V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Yeah, today I got another one, another classy, sophisticated looking speaker from a company called Marshall. But this time, this one is the Stanmore 3, alright? But, you know, first, can you do me a favor? Go down there and hit that subscribe button, it really helps the channel. Alright, appreciate it. Back to this video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Stanmore 3, another one of those speakers from, classy looking speakers, rather, from a company called Marshall, alright? Now, I did videos on some Marshall speakers before, but this is the big boy. This is a bigger one. This is not the biggest one, but this is one of the bigger, you know, home Bluetooth speakers. You know, so this is one of those speakers that, you know, you can't, it's not mobile, it's not portable, so, you know, it has to stay plugged in all the time. I wish it was, was portable, had a rechargeable battery, but it is what it is. All right, enough of that. Let me read what they have written on the box right here for the Stanmore 3. Let's see here. Now, with an even wider soundstage than its predecessor, Stanmore 3 delivers room-shaking Marshall signature sound. Whew. Just pair and play. While staying true to the iconic Marshall design, Stanmore 3 now has more sustainable built future-proof Bluetooth technology to match. Stanmore 3 is the middleweight speaker that makes a statement in any space. That's what their mission statement is on the back, on the box. But let me read off a couple of the specs for you. It says it has the Marshall signature sound, dynamic loudness, pair and play. It has the ready for Bluetooth audio, and it's made of 70% of recycled plastic. Yeah, I mean, all that stuff, they're trying to, save the planet. And then you have a RCA and a 3.5 millimeter jack. So not only do you can use a 3.5 millimeter cord to plug up, you can also use the RCA, like the old school, to plug into your TVs or what have you, all right? So enough of that talking. I mean, let's get this bad boy out of the box. I really want to see how good it looks. All right, because we already did the little brother to it, let me see, where is it at? We did the Action 3. Let me see if I can get that in the picture. Let me go ahead. We did the Action 3 right here. So now, if we're going to do it, we're going to go ahead and do the Stanmore. All right, so I'm knocking stuff down in the studio. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Enough talking. Okay. Sorry for the silence. Oh, established in 1962. I didn't notice that when I opened up the other one, but yeah, established in 1962. All right, let's throw that out of the way. Let's go ahead and this one got a little weight to it. Pull that out, and let me see if I'm gonna be able to pick this bad boy up without dropping it, because it has a little weight to it. So let's do it. Oh, let's put it to the side. It is a little bit heavier than the other one. Let's see here what we got in here. We got another instruction booklet. We set that to the side, and we have another power cable. Let's see here. I wish, like I said, about the other speakers, I wish they would have had, a 3.5 millimeter jack, but here it is right here. All right. But I'm not 3.5. I'm mixed up. I was wishing they had a USB-C. Boy, I got so much stuff trying to do at one time. All right, so let's close this box up. Nothing else in the box, and we're gonna set this box to the side. All right, and get the other speaker out. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Stanmore 3. Wow. Wow, this is a big speaker. This is a big speaker. Let's put both of them side by side. This, the Action 3 and the Stanmore 3. Let's put them side by side and see how they look. If I can get it in the shot. Scoot this over some more. Let's see here. Man, I'm gonna have to turn this one sideways and maybe turn this one sideways. Man, these are some nice looking speakers. They look identical. The only thing about it, this one's bigger and this one's smaller. Man. But, this video ain't about the Action 3. Let's go ahead and check out the Stanmore 3 and look at it. Let's see here. And you can see the nice little grill, same as the other one. I'm loving this black and gold, gray and gold. I mean, it just looks sophisticated and classy. Let me turn it around. Let's see here. You have your auxiliary jacks right here. You have your, let me see where we have your RCA, and let me see what else. Where is it? The 3.5. 3.5 is up top. So you get the RCA at the bottom, so you can plug it into a TV or use it as for theater system or whatever. I mean, not theater. What I'm trying to say. You can hook it up to to your TV, so you can have you can have the sound coming out of the speaker. But let's see here. Let's turn it upside down. Let's see here. We got some rubber stoppers back down here. All right, and you got like I said, you have the bass radiator. We got all that good bass is gonna be coming out of it. Let me see here. Let me turn it back. Let's see here. All right, let's check out the buttons right here. The button layout right here. You have your power button. You got your play and pause and forward backtrack right here. And you have your like for the play and pause, you got to push for play and pause, and then you just move it side to side to change tracks. Then you have your treble right here. You have your bass knob right here, and then you have your volume knob right here. Also, you have the the source button right here, so you can switch from Bluetooth, auxiliary, or the RCA, the old school RCA. All right, and then you have the auxiliary right here with 3.5 millimeter jack. Too cool. And right here, just to add a little bit of class or to it, you got the right here, established in 1962. Man, that's too cool. I know you probably can't see it, but I mean, that's too cool. Nice little Easter egg right there. But nice. I like this little gold coloring. And it's recycled material. Man, this is nice. This is nice. This is a nice speaker. So let's go ahead. What I want to do now is go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and find some no copyright music, so we can go ahead and see how this bad boy sounds. All right, hold tight.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no Creflo dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from brain, running from things, running from schemes.
Okay, we back. Man, this speaker sounds awesome. Man, Marshall never disappoints, man. They got some classy looking speakers with a nice little retro look to them. And I mean, build quality is awesome. I mean, they got some pretty good build quality because it's made out of like recycled material, so they're trying to save the earth. But you heard it for yourself. Man, you might not be able to hear it as good as I can hear it here in person because of video, but trust me, you won't be disappointed. These things rock. These things sound awesome. I mean, I'm digging the colorway, the nice little stylish colorway. You got the gold and gray mesh right here with the black right here. I mean, it just looks classy. It looks stylish. And like the bigger one to this one, I want to say is the wood burn. And I want to say that one is a home speaker too. It's not portable. So, man, if you're looking for a nice speaker for your home, man, you won't be disappointed with this one right here. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information on it. And like I say, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person, just like everybody else. So I'm not like a rocket scientist when it comes to these speakers. But one thing I do know, this thing sounds awesome. You won't be disappointed. But like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more detailed information on this bad boy. I'm taking the colorway, and you got your little gold. Let me just show you the top again. See I like this colorway. It's black and gold right here, and the switches, the build quality. Listen, the toggle switch right there. I mean, it's real stiff. I mean, it makes me feel like this is very well built with quality materials. I mean, you got your volume, treble, bass. No, you got your volume, bass, treble, and then you got your different sources right here. You can go from Bluetooth to auxiliary because you can plug up something else in there. You got the RCA jacks right here, so you can plug up 2 or 3 different type of devices. So you got your 3.5 millimeter jack if you want to plug it in right here, or you want to plug it in the back. Either way, but either way you go, man, this thing sounds good. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you go get more detailed information. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, so they can check out awesome products like this on the channel, all right? Because without y'all support, this wouldn't even be happening, all right? But I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out this little video. I know it's a lot of things I probably didn't mention on here. One thing I forgot to mention, I want to say wattage. I want to say it has two 50-watt speakers drivers in here. So like I said, it was hard to find anything on it because this is the newest one in the lineup. Because when they had the Stanmore 2 had been out for a while, and this one I want to say just came out. But like I said, it's a brand new speaker in that line. Trying to progress a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below when you get more detailed information. All right, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Don't waste a minute not being happy. If one window closes, run to the next window or break down the door. You all right? So don't you know, spend your life being unhappy. All right. If one window closes, run to the next one. If that one don't open, break down the door somewhere. All right. All right. I ain't telling you to go mess nobody, you know, cause no harm to nobody, nothing like that. You know, this is just figuratively speaking. All right. All right. Because some people get carried away. But like I said, you know, don't spend your life being unhappy. You know, one door closed, one window closed, go find another one. And then if that one don't open up for you, go break down the door and find, you know, and get your success. All right. That's the message for today. This is your main man Mark for L.S.V Reviews. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace. It's time to rock out, baby. It's time to rock out, baby.